Hey, it's Sam with Just Grillin' Outdoor Living. The guys over at Kamado Joe, they're always innovating. And for 2021, they've got a brand new grill. I'm going to give you an exclusive look at it right now. For 2021, Kamado Joe is releasing a brand new grill. It's going to be a Kamado-style kettle grill called Kettle Joe. They've only just announced the grill, so I do want to preface that a lot of what you see and hear in the video might not hold 100% true by the time this grill does hit the production line. Now, most of it should, but there could be a change here or there. They sent out a quick teaser video for the grill, so I'm going to play that first and then break it down for you step by step. Let's get started. Let's start with the outside. The Kettle Joe is going to look like your traditional Kamado grill. It holds a similar design to Kamado Joe grills, but this is meant to compete, I'm assuming, with a Weber kettle grill. My information doesn't say the material of the cook body, but I'm assuming it will be a porcelain enameled metal, like a kettle, or maybe some type of aluminum. But I think it's probably the first option if I'm betting. The cart appears to be a metal cart with a shelf below. It's not quite the same as what you see on the third generation grills, but a similar style, which a lot of people really like. The Kettle Joe has a pull-out ash drawer, which is another popular feature found on Kamado Joe grills currently. This is also where your airflow will come in, helping fuel the fire. The information I have tells me this will have metal side shells. It's hard to tell in the video, but they'll either be metal or the HDPE plastic like on the second generation grills, possibly. They'll also fold down for space saving. A little bit of a different design on the control tower than what we're used to seeing. This is much thinner and smaller, but looks like it still gives you protection from the elements, which is a nice feature. This grill, even though I can't imagine the lid being very heavy, has a hinged lid system. That's a popular feature and makes it easy to get in and out of the grill without worrying about where to put the lid. Moving inside the grill, the Firebox will have a charcoal grate down low and use ceramic pieces. The ceramic will help with heat retention and durability of the grill over time. They've designed a variation of their SloRoller for this grill. For those unfamiliar with this accessory, to briefly summarize, it helps distribute heat evenly to provide better flavor and reduce hot spots. This video shows what I'm describing on a third generation grill when using the SloRoller, but it's the same concept. I'm told this will come with the grill, but will also be a separate accessory that fits 22-inch Weber kettles. Also, the hinge on the lid will lower, so it will close when using this accessory or not. Lastly, it will come with two stainless steel cooking greates. These will fit in with the SloRoller or when cooking direct. One of the bullet points for this grill also lists that it will be compatible with the iCommand accessory. It does not say if other temperature systems will fit on this, but I'm assuming that somebody will develop an adapter that will allow that, so that way you can use different temperature systems on this. But it does say that the iCommand will fit on this grill. This isn't supposed to be available until February 2021. That's the projected launch, but it could be later than that. This is a really exciting new product. It's projected to retail for $500, which makes this a great entry-level grill to get into Kamado cooking. Let us know what you think about this grill. Leave a comment or question below and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. We're going to have a pre-order link coming soon. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might already be there in the description. We appreciate you watching, and we hope to see you at the store soon.